Hey guys, and welcome to Cigar. Today we have another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Sancho Panza Belicosos. This is a brand that I think doesn't get a lot of recognition and is not as famous as all the other brands. This brand is grown in Vuelta Abajo, which is a region in Cuba, and this box is an EMS, which is English Market Selection. Let's have a look. This box is from June 2023, so they have a bit of age on them already for now, but still, I always find that the longer the better. Now, I'm going to be honest, I didn't wait for filming. As soon as I got one of the cigars, I smoked them to see how they are, and I was very, very impressed with the cigar. I've never smoked a Sancho Panza before, but these were extremely nice and a pleasure to smoke. This is a box of 25. And what I like is that the band is not like the new band which have holographics and 3D. This is like in the olden days, like in the vintage cigars. It's just a piece of paper that says Sancho Panza. Not always are they symmetrical or anything, but they're just beautiful. 52 ring gauge, medium body, 5.5 inch length. Just incredible. I wish more people would know about this brand and would smoke it, because this brand needs so much more recognition. But these cigars are very special and very hard to come by. I always found that because they don't have so many cigars in their range, they only have 4 cigars, then it's very hard to come by them, and they don't produce as much. So that's why I feel like whenever I find the box, no matter the price, I always obviously try to find that the price should be cheaper, but nonetheless, I always make sure to grab 1 or 2, because I believe that soon, with the whole situation that's happening in Cuba, these cigars will no longer be available, no longer in production, and therefore it's important to grab as many as possible. If you guys like this video, please like, share and subscribe. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.